This since a year and a half from what I've heard. And well, actually I'm gonna go outside and take a walk and maybe shovel a bit, because I think I'll have to. And well, I'll let you witness that, because right now you don't see much of the wind. So now how we dress for that, I'll show you. There you go. This is how we get dressed. And don't know whether you can see. That's more light. The boots are going all the way to my knees. So, okay, let's go outside. Ready? Get set. Again. There you go. Look at that. Isn't that nice? That's the shovel I left outside to cool down, but the wind decided otherwise. Alright. So we'll got the car and see how things are doing. See? Alright. Yeah. Not many people on the road, but 6:40 to 13, it's jam-packed. So I don't know whether you can see the windmill. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, I'll get out of the street. Skiing will be brilliant. Doo-doo-doo. Is that, huh? That's what it looks like. Well, the car doesn't look too bad. Just get it out of there, that's gonna be interesting. Okay. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, that will be interesting. But hey, what can I say? This is winter. So on this little note, enjoy your golf.